What's more British than a Jaguar E-Type? It's an absolute British icon.
When they came out in '61, they were very unique. No one had seen anything like it.
Oh, they were fantastic, because at the time they were sort of the fastest car that was out.
Always wanted one, I suppose, like everyone. They're still head turners.
Everyone loves E-types, they're a beautiful car.
When people see one, it puts a smile on their face.
When you come to Eagle, you get the benefit of over 35 years of pure dedication.
We started specialising in E-types very early on. Something that we've always strived to do is never lose sight of the original classic spirit of the E-type, what the E-type's all about.
And if we can bring in the refinement and give that peace of mind, then it's an amazing car that nothing can ever better.
As much as people love the idea of driving around in a gorgeous classic E-type, we've got to make them reliable. That's what people expect and they want, and that's what we've been giving them for decades now.
Yeah, it's definitely a passion-driven business.
Our customers come to Eagle seeking perfection.
It's about meeting modern expectations.
What we're turning out is actually incredibly good.
We extensively restore the original car in order to retain as much of its authenticity as we possibly can.
We haven't diluted the character of the original car.
The whole premise of what we do is bringing them up to today's standards but keeping the heart of the E-type there.
So over the years we've developed an extensive catalogue of upgrades for every single system within the car. There are options to improve braking, cooling, electrics, engine and transmission, and that's before even getting to all the personal trim and detail choices that each and every customer makes.
These cars are totally bespoke.
Jaguar produced a 3.8 litre and 4.2 litre six-cylinder engine for the E-type. We can build to either one of those specifications, but we also produce our own 4.7 litre engine. A lot of it incorporates things that were already done in period. So we've again taken inspiration from that to kind of produce the ultimate E-type engine without going too modern.
The most important part of the whole setup really is the actual team.
Everybody gets on incredibly well.
Because everybody gets on so well, just everything seems to flow. So the guy doing the metal work is thinking about the guy who's going to do the paint work, and the paint guys are thinking about the guys who are going to be putting the car back together.
Without the camaraderie, without the friendship ultimately, the product just would not be what it is.
I've got OCD myself, so I like things to be perfect. Yeah, it fits me a treat really.
Certainly the handmade aspect of it I particularly like.
Regardless of department, everybody on site has something to do with each and every car that has been through here, and there is a real pride with that.
Once they become a customer, our aim to give a 10-star service, as Henry likes to call it.
There's nothing we don't look at in terms of improving it. Sitting in an Eagle E-type is a very luxurious place to be.
What we do here is pretty unique. There's many companies that will compare themselves to Rolls-Royce, and they'll claim to be producing the Rolls-Royce of whiskies or pens or watches or whatever. But what we're doing is really more hand-built and exclusive even than that.